Hi there, legal advisors. Today, let's dive into unlocking the potential of ESG for your clients through green tech innovations. Environmental, social, and governance priorities are transforming the landscape of legal advisement. But how can legal firms integrate these priorities effectively? First, let's talk about the energy transition. Legal teams have the expertise to guide clients through the complexities of shifting from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources. Climate action is another critical area where you can help clients reduce their carbon footprints and adapt to new regulations. Sustainable finance and green bonds are becoming mainstream. Advising clients on these financial instruments can open new avenues for funding eco-friendly projects. Additionally, sustainable real estate investments and green leases can enhance property values while reducing environmental impact. Working with financial institutions to develop lending programs for minority communities is not just a social responsibility, but also a strategic business move. Legal advisors also play a crucial role in financing social housing, ensuring that these projects are both sustainable and compliant with legal standards. On the governance side, your expertise is invaluable for navigating the legal aspects of ESG investments. This includes advising on ESG reporting, maintaining ESG records, and tackling issues like greenwashing. But sometimes there can be a knowledge shortfall when it comes to non-IT practical green technologies. For instance, reducing the use of toxic chemicals in various industries is a significant step. In manufacturing or agriculture, adopting more humane methodologies, such as removing animal antibiotics from the poultry sector, can have multiple societal benefits, including lowering the risk of superbugs. Clean air is another critical issue. Legal advisors can work with local authorities to implement policies that ensure high-quality indoor and outdoor air. One innovative solution is the use of TiO2 surface coatings, which can create sustainable value across almost every industry. NanoLandGlobal is a vendor-neutral advisor with extensive experience in this area. They offer sector-specific solutions that can benefit your clients immensely. So, legal advisors, are you ready to unlock the full potential of ESG for your clients? Dive into green tech innovations and make a lasting impact. For more insights, check out our sector-specific videos. We look forward to collaborating with you. Thanks for watching, and let's build a sustainable future together.